Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to share your screen in Claude AI. So let's say you have a problem and you want to ask Claude how to solve that problem. You can do this on the next way that I will show you in this video as quick as possible. So first of all, we go right here to Claude on the web browser, because in the app, if you go right here to Claude application right here, we don't have the option at plus right here to ask to share the screen. So what we're going to do is go back to the web browser and then click here on the plus icon. Then right here, we can select right here, take a screenshot, and then you can decide right here what you want to do. So let's say we select right here a window, and then we do this window right here, and then we do share. And then we ask right here to Claude AI, how can I create an YouTube channel on this screen? Something like that. This is just an example. Maybe when you're having an issue with Windows or something else, then you can send also the picture by just selecting a screen picture. And then from here, he tells you exactly what you need to do. So click here on the profile icon, then a drop down menu will appear, select create channel. And this is very nice to do when you need to solve problems. So this is how you can share your screen right here in Claude AI. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.